Hello and happy Friday to Algebra 1. So here we are, and we are getting ready for a good weekend. Everybody's been doing very well with the domain and range and looking at our line graphs. So as promised, we have 10 quick questions that I need you to do. They will be due on Monday, and we will be taking up these papers. So make sure that you have them ready to go as soon as you come in the door. So the first thing is, I want you to give me the definition for the following terms: horizontal, vertical, domain, range, and function. After that, I need you to do a T-chart for the following problems. You need 3 ordered pairs, so you get to pick your x's. You get to pick your domain to make 3 ordered pairs, and they are number 6, y equals 3x. Number 7, y equals 5 minus x. Number 8, y equals 2x plus 1. Number 9, y equals 2.5x minus 2. And number 10, y equals 2 times the quantity of 4 minus x, that minus 3. All right, so there you have it. That's all you need to do. And I will see you Monday. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Again, you may use your notes for this. So best wishes and good luck.